Besides the power of stance and posture, eye contact is also a really important power of the Power 7. He starts the chapter with defining the different habits of eye contact. For the Western world, he defines eye contact as a sign of politeness. That's the same for the East Asian region. Nevertheless, it is seen as kind of rude when you have more eye contact with your boss than he is with you. Nevertheless, eye contact is really important to show confidence and power. Therefore, he suggests to just have less eye contact than your boss, for example, but never have zero eye contact. And also, you should not adapt this behavior to your normal life when you're talking to strangers or even family members. Besides showing confidence and power, eye contact also allows you to get a deeper connection with the person you're communicating with, and it raises your level of confidence when you keep a lot of eye contact, which allows you once more to get into a positive power loop. The next power that Joseph Kim is talking about is head movement. He says that powerful people don't have a lot of head movement. On the other hand, less powerful people have a lot of head movement, and that is bad, because the body always follows the head. So if you have a lot of head movement, your body automatically will move a lot. Therefore, the goal is to limit your head movement to a certain level, but never have zero head movement because it can be kind of robotic. Moreover, when you agree with the person, you should never nod a lot. He suggests to always have one single nod and one slow nod, like a single slow nod. The next power that he is talking about is the power of hand movement, how you should use your hands. In general, he states that too much hand movement can be seen as awkward. Therefore, you should once more limit your hand movement to a certain level. For example, you should only use your hands to emphasize your words at that point where it makes sense. Because once more, no hand movement at all can be robotic again. Yes, so in general, you always have to be in control of your hands, because if you move your hands too much, automatically your body will move a lot too. Therefore, you should always be in control of your hands and also your fingers, because relaxed fingers will automatically lead to a relaxed body, which on the other hand is less likely to move. Yeah, the last power that he's talking about is the power of voice. To convey internal power, there are two rules. One of the rules is to speak slowly, and because then your listeners can really understand your words and the intention behind them. The other rule is to make strategic pauses. These pauses of 2 or 3 seconds can also help to understand the words and to emphasize some words. It is helpful to do these pauses after you ask a question or after you get a question. Exactly. Moreover, you should convey the idea of my words are important, therefore I'm speaking slowly, and therefore I'm making strategic pauses that everybody understands what I'm saying. And then once more you can get into the positive power loop, because then your mind will react to it and your body once more will react to it, to your thinking that, oh, my words are important. From these traits, I think that my best trait is keeping eye contact. I don't really have a related story to that, but I just think that it's really easy for me to keep eye contact, especially with family members, friends, colleagues, but also with strangers. I'm just not sure when I'm having a short conversation, for example, when I'm ordering coffee, if I'm likely to have eye contact there, but I will definitely have a look at it. And yes, it's just hard for me to, like, when I'm recording this video or when I'm having a conversation through WebEx, for example, it's kind of hard for me to look into a camera because I don't really know where to look and if I have really eye contact.